We've got independent automated robots working with independent intelligent software. This solution can work with you in your environment in ways that you haven't been able to attain before.
The industrial manufacturing space has many different issues that it faces today in our current marketplace. One being large amounts of waste from the manufacturing of goods that are out of quality control specifications, along with worker fatigue.
One of the main benefits of using autonomous mobile robots in a factory is that it improves the quality of life for the people who use them.
Oracle is relieving some of the stresses that factory workers have in their environment, and how they're enhancing robotics within those environments is really multifold. Number one is bringing together amazing industry solutions that would require workers potentially to use two different systems. They'd be controlling and working with the robot, and then working and controlling with the SaaS software, the software as a service on the back side. What we're able to do is to integrate those two together so that they're seamlessly bringing the physical world and that digital world together, and they can carry out much higher order tasks.
Oracle provides a complete solution, starting from SaaS level to PaaS level to infrastructure as a service level. That's what differentiates us from other cloud vendors, since companies like Waypoint are then able to collaborate with Oracle Cloud and provide a complete set of solutions.
We have 5 different stations, beginning with inventory, assembly, rework, defected, and finished goods. As with most factory processes, our demonstration begins at the inventory station. Here is where all of the goods are loaded onto the robot, and then the robot takes a picture of the goods to make sure that everything has been accounted for. The image is stored in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. This image is processed using machine learning image recognition algorithm. The output of this algorithm creates a prediction which triggers the robot to move to the next workstation.
Each action that the robot has been commanded to do is sent to the Event Hub cloud service. This is a message broker that allows for consumption of data or messages easily and allows for future enhancements.
The information is then sent to Oracle Integration Cloud, which is a central platform where all of the data can be easily accessed by personnel.
So one of the things that is really driving the developer world these days is the ease of usage of REST APIs. With Oracle Integration Cloud, you have a capability to basically expose a certain kind of REST endpoint URL and then access it from anywhere. So the entire idea of a low-code environment for the developers is basically the crux of the solution.
To further improve machine learning accuracy, OIC sends a daily report analysis to Oracle database for future enhancements. As inventory is being loaded and processed onto the robot, the NetSuite updates the OIC, and at any point of time, if a factory employee has to check the status, he can check either through a mobile device or a web browser.
Once the prediction confirms that all of the product parts are loaded successfully onto the robot, it is triggered to go to the next station, which is the assembly station.
At the assembly station, the person takes all the raw materials and makes the product. So from the assembly station, there is 2 points to go. One is the rework station and the other is the finished goods.
If the product is assembled properly, the prediction makes the robot go to the finished goods station. If it's not assembled properly, the prediction triggers the robot to move to the rework station. Once the product arrives at the rework station, a factory employee assesses the product and reassembles the product if it's not assembled properly. Similar to the assembly station, we have 2 option paths. If the product is reassembled and reworked properly, the prediction will trigger the robot to move to the finished goods station. But if it's not assembled and reworked properly, then it should go to the defective station. At the defective station, the product has to be returned to the vendor. Once the product arrives at the finished station, it is basically now available for the main inventory and ready to sell.
The team created not only the perfect end-to-end solution, but it was also a solution that any manufacturing space would be excited and eager to implement in their production facilities.
We can scale it from a single robot, single point product, up to multiple robots in a much more complex environment with a very sophisticated back end that really requires very simple integration.